So this is a tangle called flukes, and you put lines in opposite directions, curve them or make them straight. You can decide how far apart they are. Draw a square in the corner and then aura that square. Now you can change this up with many different variations. It's one of those tangles that I love. It's one of the tangles that it's the reason I got into tangling, because I find when I do one like this where it's just the same thing over and over again, my mind can't think of anything else. It can't think of the bills or any arguments or stresses. And the reason I got into tangling was when my father found out he had cancer. My aunt came and wanted to show this to my daughter and ended up showing to me. I fell in love. I became a teacher. And now I want to show other people that this is just a really amazing tool that you can have in your toolbox to use to see if it works for you. If you have any stress, anxiety, or even just for creativity. And then the shading is where it really comes to life. At the end of this, I show several different pictures that show how shading makes it come off the page. So I have many tutorials on my website. You can follow me on Instagram, YouTube. All the links are in my bio. And I go live every night except Thursday at 7 p.m. Central. See you then. Have a great day.